How to fix chat option not showing in Roblox game. How's it going everyone? Welcome back to the Skydeck Studio, and today's guide video I'll show you how you can fix a problem if the chat option is missing and you can't chat with your friends. Here as you can see guys, I'm on my Roblox game, and he'll get to see I have no chat option at the top left right here that I can chat with my friend. So if you're not getting the chat option on the game, that means you have disabled the chat. So now to enable it, you just need to tap on this Roblox icon at the top left right here, and then simply go ahead and tap on leave. And tap on leave from here, and that will actually exit the game. Then get back from here, and if from your Roblox homepage, go ahead and tap on this more button at the bottom right here. And from the more section, you just need to scroll down and go to the settings. Under the settings, you just need to tap on this privacy option, and then tap on communications and tap on experience chat. And from here, maybe it's selected with the no one, so all you have to do is just need to select everyone from here, and also you can set the direct chat to everyone from here as well. Now once you do this one, you're pretty much good to go. Just get back from here, get back to your games again, and try to play the game. And here you can see guys, I'm back on my game, and he'll get to see the chat option is back. Now you can tap on this one and you can chat with your friends from here. And this is how you can fix and get back the chat option on the Roblox game. Hope you find this pretty helpful guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.